Alrighty, so up next we have our farmer's carry. This is a great stability exercise, but you'll do also get the benefit of working your grip strength. So first things first, when we take them up, make sure we're lifting with that correct lifting technique, guys. Now, as I said, it is stability, but there are a few key points. So as we're walking, what we don't want to do is place that chest right up and then start to arch the lower back. All I'm doing now is placing load through the spine. So what I want to do is once I have the weights up, I'm retracting the shoulders, keeping the lats on, so I'm trying to get those lats nice and strong, lock in place. From here, what I'm doing is I'm starting to lock my core on. So I'm bracing, I'm setting the rib cage down to the hips, but while still keeping upright. So I'm not overextending and pushing that chest out. I'm locking in, getting tight. From there, as I walk, now I'm going to walk nice and slow here, I want to make sure that I strike with the heel and I'm squeezing with the glutes each time. So as I take that step, I'm squeezing with those glutes as my heel strikes and then as I press off with the toe. Now another thing, these weights are a little bit light so they do move around pretty easy, but as we step we want to make sure that we're not swinging those weights either. Again, we're keeping nice and locked on. Now with the farmer's carry, the load can start to increase, so it is very important if you are starting to feel those dumbbells slip, we place, dumbbells or kettlebells, whatever you're holding, we place them down, make sure that we reset and then keep going. As we get up to a very heavy load that's determined by you, we also want to make sure that if we do need to turn around at any stage, depending on load, we may have to place that down, then turn around, pick up and go. Because the last thing we want to do is place that foot on the ground, pivot and it not move, and then bam, suddenly our ACL or one of the other cruciate ligaments goes. So key points for our farmer's carry. We're keeping the core locked on. We're making sure that the lats and shoulders are set. We're not overarching. And as we step, we strike with the heel and we're squeezing with those glutes. Okay, they're the big ones there. As you get more proficient, your walking pace will then become a lot faster. But for the starting or learning of this movement, make sure we're going nice and slow. We're feeling locked on, and then we can increase that weight, increase that speed.